everybody, I'm here working on the 51 Ford out by Jeff's shop today. I am gonna work on putting the drums back on. I repacked the bearings and stuff. They should be good enough to get us rolling, make sure this thing runs and moves. I'm not gonna be able to time lapse you, so basically what I'm gonna do is I'll slap them on and then I'll give you a little short video on that. And I may also attempt to get the bumper off, so not a whole lot of content here, I apologize, but I'll show you what I'm looking at doing and we'll go from there. All right, one side down. You'll notice I did not put the grease cap on yet because I realized I don't have cotter pins. So I'm gonna leave the grease cap off so I don't forget to put the all important cotter pin in. All right, on to the other side. Okay, other side, driver's side drum installed. Bearings repacked and ready to go. Again, I don't have cotter pins, so I will be leaving the dust cap off so I don't forget to put them in.
So we got all the brake lines ran. Might have the brake line switch or the brake light switch working too. I'm not gonna know. We're gonna start with bleeding the brakes first and go from there because that's step one. And if we get working brakes, then we'll test the electrical system out. So yeah. What do you think, Jason?
Right on, man. We're making some good progress. Had a little issue with the brakes there, getting it back together. You know, they never go together easy.
Yeah.
But now we're up to bleeding them. We'll see what shakes down from there.
It is getting late, but we're so close. We're like, you know what? Let's go for it. Yeah, so we're gonna have Jason work on the brakes again this week. I don't know if we said anything last week, but the wheel cylinder, the bleeders broke off. So I got some new ones. So Jason's gonna continue working on that. Pro tip, if you've never done rear shoes or anything like that, only do one side because if you forget how to put them back together, you got the other side you can look at. So we only did the one side. We're gonna throw that wheel cylinder in, then do the other side, and hopefully bleed the brakes tonight. We'll see. What do you think, Jason?
Oh, I think it'll work out great. Yeah, definitely. This is a totally different system. It's from 1951. And there's a few parts in there. Plus, it's Ford. I've really never worked on many Fords. So there are quite a few different parts and springs and things in there. So thankfully, I'll have the other side for reference. It should go smooth, though.
Gentleman's bet? $5 says we have working brakes tonight.
We need to make one brake line, but yeah, I think we could do it.
Yeah.
Why not?
All right. Anyway, I'll be right back. Jason's going to film. it down.
Down.
Up.
That doesn't seem to be moving any fluid out at all, really.
Oh, it definitely is. So we're getting fluid back here.
Not enough on the floor over here.
All right, you're up.
I'm up.
Down.
Down.
Yeah, a lot of fluid already. All right. Let's do the front.
Okay, holding.
Pump it up.
Holding.
Pump it up.
Okay, let me add some fluid.
Okay, that one works.
Huh?
All right, hold it.
Okay.
Let go. Okay, this one works.
Okay. Holding.
Let go.
Let go.
You gotta do something on this front wheel here.
Driver's side.
Yep.
Okay.
All right, hold it.
Holding.
All right, let go. Yeah, we got working brakes. We got working brakes.
Yay!
Now, should we try, see if we got working brake lights?
Sure, how do we do that?
Remember how you hooked it up the...
Oh yeah, do you have the jump pack?
Yep. Light switch, let's see if the light turns on real quick. Yep, okay. Go ahead and flip the light off. All right, hit the brake. Dude,
Yeah, buddy.
we got fucking working brake lights. We got working brake lights. Check it out.
I see it. I can see it from you.
Dude, yes, Jason, yes.
Hey man, we can mark some shit off.
Wheel cylinders, check. I'm not gonna do that because it's not finished.
What's that?
Brake switch.
Okay.
Grease the front end,
Well, ish.
as greased as we can.
Yeah.
Is there anything else you can see here?
Tail
Lead
lights.
brakes.
Yep. Clutch brakes. Lead clutch. Don't have a clutch yet.
Well,
Got the brakes working and the brake lights working. So I guess I owe you $5. I don't know why.
yeah, I don't know if we actually decided who won that or not. So
We'll call it.
yeah. But good work tonight, Jason.
All right, man.
That's probably going to be the end of this video. Yeah, I think so. I don't know. If it isn't, look forward to the other stuff. Otherwise, we'll see you guys next time.